Hello, furniture folks. I'm back with another episode on restoring old furniture. So, I collect antique keys, and so whenever I see a piece with these cute little keyholes on them, I instantly need it. It's kind of becoming a problem. But I found this one and brought it home and immediately started trying to get the years of furniture polish and lacquer off. I started with a chemical stripper, and that worked fine, but needed a little more aggressive approach. So I took my carbide scraper and went to work. I'll be honest, the carbide scraper isn't my favorite because it makes such a horrific noise, but it is effective. So after I was able to get that first layer of muck off, I did go in with my orbital sander and just try to even everything out and get everything prepped and ready for future work. Now this dresser is from the Great Depression era, so it's almost 100 years old, and it did need a little structural work. I replaced a few of the bottoms of the drawers and tried this new trick with Bondo to fill the gaps in between the slides on the side of the drawers. I'll show you here in a second. And it actually worked out great, but it was a little bit hard to get into the grooves. It's a little just awkward. The person I bought this from said it was originally her great-grandmother's, and that tracks for the weird lining on these drawers. It was super sticky, and they really don't make things like they used to, but it was a little tough to get out. So I started with a heat gun and was completely unsuccessful, but then just moved to basic Dawn dish soap and water, let it soak, and then it came out fantastic. I glued the sides of the drawers back to the front with these beautiful dovetails and was ready to move on to more of the cosmetic piece, which is, for me, the fun part. The fronts of the drawers were actually in pretty good condition, so I was able to just do a slip coat of mineral spirits and then apply this beautiful walnut gel stain over top. The body was in a little rougher shape, just like your body will be when you're almost 100 years old, and it took the stain in different places. It absorbed it differently, which you can see here. So the sides really took on more of an orange tint, while the rest stayed that more neutral brown. To try to combat this, I wanted to try this new to me Mohawk toner. And it was very easy to use. It's essentially like a spray paint, and it just helps even out the color. And it worked awesome, as you can see from my face here. And it was really fast. So I went a little crazy on the rest of the body, just slowly trying to get everything to color match. As I said, things got a little crazy, got a little out of hand, and so I did need to take it down on the top with some mineral spirits to try to even it out a little bit. So tone the toner. I always finish up by waxing the sides of the drawers just to get the drawers to slide in and out as smoothly as possible, especially on these older pieces where some pressure can build up over time on the sides. And this is the finished product. To date, it's the fastest selling piece I've done, and I just love the way it turned out. See you next time.